ప్రపంచ నలుమూలల్లోని దేశాలు రెండో ప్రపంచ యుద్ధంలో పోరాడుతుంటే భారతదేశం బ్రిటిష్ పాలన నుండి విముక్తి కొరకు పోరాడింది.
The release of Dhanush and director Arjun Mahatheswaran is upcoming field action film Captain Miller has been release date to Pongal 2024. The film, which was selected to release on December 15, will now be released in theaters alongside Sivakarthikeya. The post-production work for the Captain Miller is processing finally, and the makers have been planning to take up the film is promotion from the November end or early December. On the other side, director Arjun Mahatheswaran has confirmed that the Captain Miller is a 3-part film, but whether the film become a franchise depending on the success of the part 1. Please support me. Thank you for watching. God bless you.